Any doors yet? Too much for couch potato Ed boys like yourself. Huh? Yes, good. Are you weak in the upper story?
Gee, since when did Rolf turn into one of those stuffed shirt blowhard singer types? The guy gave me a headache. Ah! Next house.
You crazy? Not even close, square peg and round hole, Ed Bowie. We must do the belly back, as it is the only way to please the tree.
What are you, some kind of troll or something?
I am Rolf, son of a shepherd. You need to eat more fiber, head and sock, Ed Bowie. If this is true, have you brought the cupcakes of sorriness?
Are you touching that?
Never again will Rolf store house keys in his trouser pockets. All that hard work. Rolf's eyes fool the brain of Rolf!
Nah! You're actually gonna die! I'm gonna blow your head off!
Rolf's giant wiener will fetch a pretty penny at the market, yes, Victor? If we do not find dry land soon, I will have to feast upon your succulent noggin. Holy mackerel!
Oh! This dork owes me a bike chain. Real smooth. Dork. The dork's faking puberty. I forgot to wear underwear, guys. Lucky for you dorks, I got chores to do, or I would have had to pound you.
Croissant?
Huh?
Ed! I was born to be wild!